It's a sexy building.
It is a sexy
Oh,
building.
mine started recording.
Oh, cool.
This is really weird.
No, mine's
wait,
cooler.
Wait, what happens when we turn them together?
Whoa, man.
Whoa.
That's really sweet.
That was so cool.
Yeah,
we should
no
do
kidding.
that more often.
Yeah.
How does my hair look? So,
Oh, I look like crap.
there's a clock in here.
No?
Pretty brick wall. Stone. Fake stone.
Outside.
Fake stone.
Outside.
Brianna! Laura!
Hey.
Oh wow, that was me.
Yeah. That's cool.
So,
Look at this. We have a hot building.
dude, look at our lunchroom. It's ugly.
You're ugly.
Your face is ugly.
No,
Window.
our lunchroom is so cool
Window.
Window.
Window. I probably should not be handling my computer like that in front of the office.
No, probably not.
Probably not.
That's cool.
Hey, I have a text message.
I don't. Text me.
I'm not gonna text you. Texting you is a lot of work.
Ah.
Even though you're saved to my favorites. Yay! You're gonna have to get out of that text message. It says yep.
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 Yup. Yup.
Yup.
Okay.
Yup. Yup.
Yup. Yup. Yup. That was great.
YouTube hit for sure.
What did I do?
Carl.
Carl.